Now we are seeing a problem from the topic impact of jet on weights. Let's see the problem. A jet of water having a velocity of 50 meters per second. It strikes a curved vane which is moving at a velocity of 25 meters per second. So here the velocity of the jet will become v1, that is 50 meters per second, and the vane velocity will become u1 or u2 or u, that is 25 meters per second. The jet makes an angle of 30 degrees with the direction of motion of the vane. So it is a inlet jet angle. So that notations generally will take alpha. So that we will see in the given data. And 30 degrees with the direction of motion of the vane at inlet and leaves radially at outlet. So that will become beta, and radially means beta will be 90 degrees. Draw the velocity triangles and determine the vane angles at inlet and outlet. So vane angles will be in general will take inlet vane angle the symbol as theta and outlet vane angle symbol as phi. So theta and phi we have to find out here, and so that the water enters and leaves the vane without shock anyway. So here if you see the given data, so I told the inlet jet angle v1 will be 50 meters per second, and vane speed or plate or vane speed at inlet or outlet or simply vane speed is 25 meters per second. It is given moving, the vane is moving with velocity 25 meters per second, and I told here inlet jet angle is given 30 degrees, and that will be alpha is a symbol, and outlet jet angle that will symbol is beta, and that is 90 degrees. Means here the jet leaves radially, means that is beta is 90 degrees, alpha is 30 degrees. And if you see, this is a diagram indicating the inlet and outlet triangles and vane. And if you see here from the inlet triangle ABD, so inlet triangle ABD, so we can write V of VW1. So this is VW1 we can write it as V1 cos alpha. So means cos alpha is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is VW1 by V1, or VW1 we can write V1 cos alpha. V1 is given 50 and cos alpha value is 30 is given. Simplify that, we are getting VW1 as a 43.3 meters per second. Next, if you see VF1 from this triangle, same triangle ABD, if you write sin alpha, VF1 by V1, and if you write VF1, that is V1 sin alpha. So V1 is 50 and sin alpha is 30, and if you simplify that, we are getting VF1 value as 25 meters per second. And also from this triangle BCD, if you write tan theta will be VF1 by this side, and this side will become VW1 minus U1. So that we have written the same thing here, tan theta is VF1 by VW1 minus U1. So VF1 we got 25 meters per second, VW1 we got here if you see 43.3, and U1 is given 25. So when you substitute the values and simplify it, we are getting tan theta as 1.366, or theta is equals to tan inverse of 1.366, and if you simplify that, we are getting theta value as 53.79 degrees, and so that theta is nothing but inlet vane angle. So that I told we will take the symbol theta for inlet vane angle. And if you are assuming no friction for this case, so VR1 will become VR2 or VR2 will become VR1. And also from the triangle BCD at inlet triangle, so from this triangle BCD, if you write sin theta is opposite, that is VF1 by hypotenuse VR1. So that we have written here sin theta VF1 by VR1. From that, VR1 is equals to VF1 by sin theta. VF1 we got previous step 25, and the sin theta value we got here 53.79, and when you substitute and simplify, we are getting VR1 as 30.98 meters per second. So we have assumed no friction condition, means VR1 is nothing but VR2. Relative velocity at entrance will be is equals to relative velocity at exit. So that we got VR2 as 30.98 meters per second. Also from outlet triangle EFG, let us see that outlet triangle. So from this outlet triangle, if you see cos phi will be the adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos phi will be U2 by VR2. So cos phi is U2 by VR2 we have seen, and U2 is nothing but U1 or U, that is 25, and VR2 just now we got 30.98. So when you substitute and simplify, we are getting the phi value as 36.2 degrees, and phi I told the symbol will take it as an outlet vane angle. So we got the inlet vane angle theta as 53.79 degrees and outlet vane angle phi as 36.2 degrees. So for more videos, please subscribe and activate bell symbol. And also please share my videos with your friends. Thanks for watching.